Hi guys, this is Gabby here. If you're new, hello and welcome to my channel. And if you're returning, thanks so much and welcome back. I want to thank everyone who's been leaving comments to my videos. I especially want to thank the few of you who have been responding to other viewers' comments and offering suggestions or sharing your personal experiences. I really want this to be a community where we can help and support each other. And you guys are awesome. Okay, today's video, the question we're talking about is, should you hire an immigration lawyer to help you with your visa petition, or should you go the DIY route and do it yourself? And guys, the simple answer is it's a personal choice. You decide what's best for your family. I hold no power or authority to answer that question for you, nor do I have any business trying to tell you what to do with your life. But I can give you some things to consider and share my own personal experience, and perhaps this information can help you decide what's best for you. Also, please know that hiring an immigration lawyer is not a mandatory requirement. As I said before, it's simply an option for you. Also, hiring an immigration lawyer does not guarantee your approval. Yes, it's possible for you to utilize the services of a lawyer and still not get approved for a visa or green card. I'll quickly go over the pros and cons to consider for both, but let's start with my immigration story. Back in 2018, I wanted to apply for the marriage visa for my husband, who at the time lived in Ghana. We both agreed that I will meet with an immigration attorney. I paid $50 for my 30-minute consultation with the immigration attorney. At the consultation, I shared background info on my husband and I, and the attorney discussed the options that I could take to bring my husband to the U.S., and she briefly explained the immigration process to me and how she would assist us. She informed me that the fees for her services would be $3,000, and this did not include the visa filing fees. Keep in mind, this was in 2018, so I'm sure her prices have since increased. I thanked her for her services and told her I would talk with my husband so we could decide how we would like to move forward. But shortly thereafter, I found VisaJourney.com, which reassured me I could petition for my husband's visa myself, and it provided me the resources to assist me in doing so. Ultimately, we chose to do it ourselves. Initially, we wanted to hire a lawyer because of their expertise, and at the time, I didn't have any confidence in myself. The immigration process seemed very overwhelming to me because it was new to me and I knew nothing about it. So to me, hiring an immigration attorney was a good idea because they are experts in the field and can interpret immigration laws and policies and how they specifically apply to our case. So this can definitely be a pro or a good reason for you hiring an immigration attorney. Another pro is immigration attorneys can give you all the options that are available to you that you may or may not be aware of, helping you to pick the best option for you and your family. Perhaps you don't like paperwork and filling out forms, or maybe English is your second language. In this case, having an immigration attorney will be a plus because they will be filling out all of your paperwork for you and also help to explain anything that you don't understand. Any immigration questions you have, you'll have access to expert advice from the immigration lawyer. Maybe you aren't a detail-oriented person and get flustered or easily overwhelmed. Well, in this case, an immigration attorney will be valuable to you because it can keep your case on track, ensuring you have all the necessary documents and meet all of your deadlines. But out of all of these things, I think the time that you would need an immigration attorney the most is if your case is complex, meaning you have issues such as a criminal background history, you have been denied a visa before, or you are considered inadmissible to the U.S. There are certain medical conditions like infectious diseases that can stop you from entering the U.S. And in these cases, an immigration lawyer can catch these issues and hopefully find a solution for you. So what are the cons, you may ask? Well, the most obvious con would be the cost. You're definitely going to have to pay a couple of $1,000s or more for the services of an immigration attorney. But to some, the price is worth it because it gives them a peace of mind. A second con for hiring an immigration attorney would be the possibility of spending thousands of dollars for their services but not getting a visa or getting your green card. Remember, just because you're using an immigration attorney, it does not guarantee that your case will be approved. Okay, so what are the pros for doing it yourself? Well, you obviously get to save that money that you would give to an immigration attorney. There are so many resources online that can assist you in submitting your petition. It is doable if you take your time, follow directions, and make sure to dot your I's and cross your T's. You'll definitely need to be detail-oriented and to be successful navigating the process by yourself. If your situation is straightforward and not complex, meaning no previous overstays, no criminal histories, or anything that can be seen as inadmissible, then it's highly possible for you to be able to do it successfully on your own. All of that said, at the end of the day, you decide what you are more comfortable with and that you believe will benefit your family the most. In the end, I chose to do it on my own because I had confidence that I could do it with the resources at visajourney.com. And fortunately for me and my family, it turned out well. But again, you decide what's best for you. There's no right or wrong answer. There's pros and cons for whatever choice you choose. And I wish you best on your immigration journey. And I hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. I'd love to have you here. See you in the next video. Bye.